Cricket is here with us once again, and we meet all of you from Ahmedabad. The West Indies have come to India to play cricket. Talked a little while ago, Rohit Sharma now officially India's white ball captain, his old friend Kieron Pollard at the toss. Ian Bishop was there as well. As India take on the West Indies, a team that's been affected by COVID. It's given opportunities to a couple of others. Huge day for some of them, especially for this man too, Rohit Sharma. He's led India in one-day internationals before, but this is formerly captain of India. And just wait and see as Virat Kohli gives it up to whether... And a maiden over to start off. I'm very keen to see how he goes with the new ball. And the first runs. First boundary for the West Indies.
Too much of variety. That is what he should be doing. That's a very...
He likes that space. He likes that space outside the off stump, and that's another boundary in that area. This time it's Fuller. He's launched into that drive. The scoring run square of the wicket. This one a little... Oh, and he gets the one to come back off the inside edge. 2 boundaries and then a wicket for Mohammad Siraj. And India have a power play wicket, something they don't always... This time he connects. We've already seen him play a shot square of the wicket. This time he's driven. Gives you a lot up front too, so that is one of the reasons he can't get the ball to skid off.
And that is a short one.
There you can see he's in rhythm. Number 3. He doesn't mind it when it's further up, because he is a free-flowing batsman through the offside. Is Darren Bravo.
Some spin. Washington Sundar turns straight away. A good time to say. What a shot. What a shot. Into, out, all along the ground. Should get him a boundary. Oh, should be an easy one. Should be a very easy one. Chipped straight to Surya Kumar Yadav at mid-wicket. Trapped. A long, hard appeal.
Gone through the review.
Ball tracking, please. Side, impact in line. Wickets hitting. Go to the on-field umpire.
Well, he's been in good form lately.
Can you imagine how cuter it has got since you have spoken about it? It's gone very fun and in Australia, but he seems to be ODI stat.
Washington Sundar. And they were also the batters. That's a beautiful shot. Just a little bit of room given to Nick. Bad misfield.
Goal, bhai, wash.
Fair delivery. Give me front on, please. Pitching outside, impact in line, hitting. Go to the on-field umpire.
Pollard with a man at leg slip. And he's got him. 2 and 2 for Chahal. The West Indies captain goes for a naught. First ball.
Beautifully, is there an edge?
5 seconds.
Bat is close to the ball.
Yes!
Signal out, please. Thank you.
78 for 6. Trouble. Brooks gone for 12. It's an
Average of 9.1, turning it. It's got only 2. Oh, good ball again, probably outside off. Seems to have a good rhythm going, and it's got a wicket, I think, here. I think he's just asking square leg if the ball's carried. I think you heard a sound as it passed.
Clear a spike. Just complete the... Yeah, clearly taken. Thank you.
The West Indies.
and from the first
Wrong and coming. Well, he's connected that all right. Long levers, big man. Deep into the stadium here in Ahmedabad for a 6.
really gave birth and hope to Sindh.
As you mentioned, the first win, then part of folklore, the great couple they've catched it today in the debutant Deepak Hooda
and Sadanand Vishwanath. Huge impact they made. But there was any time good for someone like Deepak Hooda to come on would be now. In the meantime, the over finishes with a boundary.
Should decide. That could be taken. No. Prasidh Krishna.
In so far. That's a good hit. That it's a very good hit. There was a fielder there long off, but all he can do is...
Yes. So why?
Intriguing. We'll get a... It's a magnificent strike. They're not small boundaries here. All the way for 6. We'll get to his 50.
That's a very, very soft dismissal in the end.
Tries to stick in.
That's gone fine. It's lost direction, Shardul Thakur, and it's a nice little gift to start with.
Got him. That extra pace, that bounce. And disappointment for Jason Holder. Prasidh